Good morning to all. Myself Abhay Verma, roll number 48, and my project partner name is Mahesh Chaudhary and his roll number is 84. Our faculty in charge is Dr. Alekha Kumar Misra, and here we are going to demonstrate our project food grain wastage management. We have used two algorithms in this project: regression modeling and 5MP models are classify project with the help of Weka open source machine learning application. Problem statement of this project is food grain waste is a huge problem in India, which is now failed to spot in today's world. Mostly food grain are waste at the end of seasons. Our application provide farmer to best time to sell without wasting the grain. Outline of the project. Here first we discuss dataset and Java and then Java code. There is 5 subparts: load dataset, remove attribute, again load dataset, regression model, 5MP model, and then explain code on Eclipse IDE. Here we discuss something about dataset. Dataset is allocation is a collection of a data in machine learning project. We need we need a training dataset. It is a actual dataset used to train the model for performing various actions. and we use two models in this project. First one is regression model. Regression model are widely used in analytics. In general, being among the most easy to understand and interrupt type of analytics technique. Regression technique allow the identification and estimation of a possible relationship between a pattern or variable of interest and factor that influence that patterns. Our dataset contains five columns. They are name of food grain, cost, amount per ton, longevity of grain, and storage. Here the code of our project. What is Weka application? Weka is a collection of a machine learning algorithm for data mining task. The algorithm can either be applied directly to a dataset or called from your own Java code. Weka contains tools for data pre-processing, classification, regression, clustering, association rules, and visualization. It is also well suited for developing new machine learning schemes. Code of this project discussed by my partner in Eclipse IDE.
Myself Mahesh Chaudhary along with Abhay Verma. Here I am going to explain code of this project in Eclipse IDE. Here we first import the Weka converters, instances, classification trees, filters, classifiers functions, classifiers base, and here our main function start CSV loader is class we make object train. Then we fetch data set from computer in train object. Then we create instances from train object. Then we set column in which operation performed. We set unnecessary column to remove from train data object. Here we set first column and remove. Then we again load CSV loader with object test. Again fetch data set from computer. Now we set column to perform longevity. Here we have a regression model, which is model of machine learning. This model is based on y is equals to mx plus c, which is equation of line. This model takes data from data set and set all columns and analyze the data and make on formula to evaluate all columns. This evaluation class make evaluation on data, setting data, print as output. Here the second model of ML to evaluating the longevity of food grain. Here we select each data and print accordingly test data object. Here we are going to run our project. Output is correlation coefficient is negative and mean absolute error is 2.7 and total instances is 60, and in result correlation is near about 0 and mean absolute error is nearly previous value, and get total number of instances is 120, and then we get 3 column of attributes and longevity and numeric value. Thank you.